just to show you. There's a hole in it. It's just been a few minutes I've opened it.